Winter's coming, folks. Time to upgrade your down jacket from basic to frozen cosplay. Step 1. Raid a unicorn's craft stash. Holds up glitter thread, taste the rainbow, literally. Thread that needle like you're defusing a snowman bomb. Sweats, why is this thread judging me? Draw snowflakes, croaks, squints. Call it abstract climate change art. Blame global warming. Stitch green like Elsa's therapy bills. Sings badly, let it go to the dry cleaner. Add purple because why not? Chaotic stitching, I'm basically Jackson Pollock now. Holds up lopsided snowflake, behold. And snowflake, well, my failed geometry test. Pro tip, hide mistakes with glitter. Sparkle attack now your disco yeti. Model it like you're an Instagram influencer. Poses hashtag blazed, hashtag frostbite shape. If you're unsafe, it's extra. Whisper, Garan, Santa's watching, and he's judging. Next up, how to embroider a carrot on a torn garment. Spider, it's just veggie vandalism. Needle stabbed fabric, because nothing says I'm adulting like fixing holes with veggies. Thanks for watching. Chucks, hot cocoa, go be frosty. Or just binge Netflix. ITC.